The ALGORAND, ALGO, cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its eco-values since its commencement in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's digital money framework, the cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has in this manner lost most. ALGORAND, ALGO, fundamental analysis. In June 2019, ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering, with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the main day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed bit by bit. ALGORAND said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Regardless of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more expected. Consider the breakdown of the value of ALGO's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO through confidential position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous ALGORAND Foundation task boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early sponsor had presented the drive to unreasonable dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by Global Coin Research. ALGORAND, ALGO, technical analysis. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by ALGORAND. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, ultimately hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. ALGORAND has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a joint effort with the transient currency market exchanging stations to match global, ALGORAND was likewise standing out. ALGORAND dealt with a great many dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. El Salvador, in August 2021, proclaimed that ALGORAND will act as the establishment for its digital currency framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an untouched post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 notwithstanding ALGORAND having recently delivered an update that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a record-sharing programming, picked ALGORAND to run its NFT commercial center, ALGO has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA declared its participation with ALGORAND, it demonstrated that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a far-reaching implosion saw ALGO exchanging at 36 cents lows. ALGORAND, ALGO, current price. ALGORAND is as of now worth $0.306412. ALGO has moved 1.21% as of now with an exchanging volume of $49,459,110. ALGORAND is as of now positioned 30 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,087,357,515 US dollars. ALGORAND, ALGO, Price prediction 2022. ALGORAND, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. ALGO. The ALGO cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.459618. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.428977 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of $0.367695. ALGORAND, ALGO, price prediction 2023. In 2023, ALGORAND ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ALGO will before long outperform $0.766030. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ALGO's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.612824 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.674107. ALGORAND, ALGO, price prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.07 and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.980519 and a low of $0.919236 in 2024. ALGORAND, ALGO, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that ALGORAND effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2025. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.38, with a base cost of $1.23 and a typical cost of $1.29. ALGORAND, ALGO, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.59 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.53 anticipated before the year's end. Besides